Hello and welcome back to NV Fine Art Studio. Today we are going to start working on the portrait of a horse. Quite often I receive questions: do I always paint landscapes or can we paint something a bit more close up? No, I don't always paint landscapes. I paint still life, portraits, animals, but mostly for my pleasure. Anyway, I want to widen the spectrum of subjects we do. At first I thought we would do a portrait, but a few patrons asked me about animals. Thank you, Louise and Anna, for your suggestions. So we are going to do an animal first and then a portrait. All will be in a loose style, so please don't expect here any hyper-realistic square-to-square tutorial. Any camera, I suppose, achieve that without our help, but we are working here on artistic interpretations. So let's do this. Because this demonstration is oriented on beginner-level artists, I'm going to split it into two parts. First part is a pencil sketch for tonal value and for color version. And second part is painting the tonal value and color version. I'm only going to do this split for this demonstration because I want to go over the vitality of a good sketch and dig into the details of bones and muscles. For all the future demos, I will go quickly over this sketch and I will add the link to this video if anyone wants to practice the core aspects of a good sketch.